Looking for a solution for a magnetic chalkboard? Decograph got you covered. This chalk magnet is UV printable, so you can print whatever designs that you want. Chalk magnet has two sides, the non-magnetic side where you can write and print on it, and the magnetic side. It has a high-energy magnetic layer. You can put it on any iron surface directly without any glue, tape, or nails. Or you can also use our magnetic paint to create magnetic surface for your wall. Using our chalk magnet, you don't need to hire for professionals. It's easy to install. You can use a chalk or liquid chalk pens and easy to erase. Or you can use it for schools, restaurants, and more. You can even use a media mag to make your wall more interesting. Whatever it is that you want to use your chalkboard for, Decograph got the right solution for you. We have different magnetic chalkboard and whiteboard writing surfaces to choose from. What are you waiting for? Turn your wall into a dynamic and fun magnetic chalkboard surface with Chalk Magnet. For more information, visit our website at www.decograph.com.